Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Guy with a Plant. In today's episode, I'm going to bring you to the House of Plants. This is a nursery that is having a closing down sale. I hope I'm not too late because today is the second day, and I hope the goodies are not being snatched up. Okay, at the entrance of this nursery, I'm seeing a lot of succulents. They are not my favorite plants, to be honest, but I can see that they have tiny pots and slightly bigger ones, so that is really interesting for those who are lovers of succulents. Yeah, so many pots here, and I can see that they are having a sale of their terracotta pots as well. I think there's only $2 for one. And this is the Hoya Macrophylla Crimson Queen. 4 for $20 or $6 for one. There's really a lot of them, so you can actually mix and match. And this is the Philodendron Florida Beauty, and that's the plant that I'm actually here for. Look at the prices, it's pretty good, $98. Do take note that the prices are in Singapore dollars. They have three price points for the Florida Beauty. This is the first one, $98, and this is the second one that has nicer variegation. So this $148. There's so many of them. Look at this, and they all look so good. And this is the priciest, $198, but they are much bigger, and the variegation is beautiful. Look at this. Yeah. It'll be difficult to decide. And this is the Philodendron Orange Marmalade. They have from $12 to $48 to this, the biggest one, I think $98. And this is the Philodendron Ring of Fire. And look at this, this is Philodendron biliaceae. It's only $38. But of course, this is a really small one. More Ring of Fire. The shape is really interesting, and we have speckling of variegation. Okay, there are no more plants on this table, not many. And we have some Philodendron Gloriason. It's only $15. And this are Philodendron Florida Ghost, $15. Very good prices. And Philodendron Atambabossier, $18. Should I get one? And this is Philodendron Distant. Okay, I don't know what is that. I've never seen this Philodendron before, but it looks really interesting. And this is should be Alocasia Venti, only $4 or $2 depending on the size. Yeah, more Gloriason. This is Syngonium Macrophylla Frosted Heart, and this is a Philodendron Gigantium Variegated, $35. And these are the Fat Boys, Philodendron Fat Boys, $15, pretty good price. They are so adorable. Look at those chubby stems or patio. And this is another Philodendron, which I'm not sure what's that. Pendiform, yep. And more Florida Ghosts, only $12. So many of them. And this the ZZ plant, ZZ Raven, and actually they are pretty big specimens, but check out the prices. That's I think it's only $18, $15 for ZZ Raven. I think the prices have fallen. There's even one $7 here. So the prices have fallen quite a lot. And look at this cute alocasia stingray. And you know why they are being called stingray. Look at the shape of the leaves. Only $8. And this is another philodendron. Yep. Alocasia regal shell. $12, $8. Oh, and this one my favorite, Philodendron Gigantium, and they are only like $15. Yeah, very good price. Should I get one of this? Yeah, you have a very cute melanochrysum, $12, and this is the Monstera certipicana, I think, only $15. And we have a sea of Gloriason. Philodendron. Oh, there's Pastazanum, sorry. Look at Gloriason. They are $15. Some pink Syngonium, only $4. $4. I think this is a medium. Okay, let's take a look at the Florida Beauty again. Can't get enough of this. They are really beautiful. I can't believe there's so many of them. These are the $198 one. More plants, that's what the plant lovers would like to see. The pots are only $1 each. Brand new pots. And this Philodendron McDowell or Pastazanum, $38. Very reasonable prices. Pastazanum, yep. I love the pillowy leaves. And we have plants here that are 2 for $10. I think more Florida Ghost, Florida Green, yep. 1 for $8, 2 for $10. And we have Philodendron biliaceae. Look at the intense orange petioles or the stems. This is $88. This is a big one. $58. More Florida Green. And we have some Caladiums here. 2 for $10. Really colorful. And this is a Syngonium. This is Syngonium chair pans, looking really healthy. I think they're only $10. Syngonium chair pans, yep. I used to have one, but I sold that away. And this Philodendron feeder line, I'm not sure. It's only $4 or $10. Interesting shapes. And this is Philodendron fuzzy stems, $15. Interesting. There's quite a few of them. And some begonia, only $2. Ruby red ruby. And we have a set Philodendron Pink Princess here. It's only $4, but it's a baby one. Graphitophora tetrasperma, 2 for $10. And we have Monstera Peru here, $8, and the leaves are so nice. Very interesting texture. It's almost like a skin of a reptile. I think it's only $8 or 2 for $10. They have a pink splash, Syngonium pink splash. The Syngoniums are really cheap, $2. This is not sure what's that. This is Philodendron Macrophylla. It's only $4. It looks like a mini Monstera deliciosa. Yeah, Monstera pinnatipatitum or something. Yep. And this is the green Philodendron burley marks. Not sure how much is that. I think it's only $5. And that is a Hoya Macrophylla, elbow marginata. There's no price tag here. More Peru here, I think. Monstera Peru. Monstera Peru. There's a lot of them here. Very good prices too. 2 for $10. So, but they are looking a little bit dusty, so you got to give it a good wash. More Caladiums. Interesting colors. And on the floor there is many Caladium Florida clown, 2 for $10. Interesting patterns on the leaves. What is this? $2. Oh, Philodendron Birkin, but without the variegation. It's only $2. And we have this, some Philodendrons here. Not sure what they are. $2. I think they are Florida green. Yep, very juvenile form. There's a small fiddly fig, $2. And this is the Monstera Citybicana. It's only $4. It's not very common here in Singapore, but I guess you can buy that and propagate it. It'll be nice. And there's some Antherium Crystalline, looking really sad. These are not for sale. I think this is a Ficus Shivriana or something. Yep, but not much of a design on them, patterns on them. Not sure what is this, looking really sad. And that is the Hoya Macrophylla. Oh, okay, it's wrongly labeled. This is Hoya Macrophylla, elbow marginata, same as this. Yep. And yeah, I'm going back to this again, the orange marmalade. It's really gorgeous. I really like the colors and the form of it. And this is the nursery. It's not very big, but it's packed with people who was trying to get a good deal today. And so thank you for watching this episode. If you like nursery tours, do let me know. I shall see you again in my next episode. Meanwhile, take care, be safe, and remember to show your plants some love.